You gonna open it? You gonna open it? We know you love unwrapping presents. I've had to rewrap them like 3 times now. Look at this one. Yeah.
You had tape stuck to your finger?
He's got syrup all over. Be nice if you were wearing your Christmas PJs I got you.
Yeah. Wow.
Wow. I wonder if the other one's a shirt to go with them. Here's your candy cane.
Wow.
Hey, can we focus on the present? You gonna open that?
Yeah.
Hayden! Candy canes don't go in your hair, sweetie. Thank you.
Yes, they do.
Wow, you got a matching outfit and camo. That'll make hunting better, huh? That'll make hunting better.
Those ones aren't
Oh,
yours.
those are Katie's, honey. Those aren't yours. You, let's open one from Mammy, huh? Okay. You gonna open this one? I know you can open gift bags. Yeah. Mammy might notice that your book's not in here, huh?
I can't see.
You think she'll notice that your book
Yeah.
is missing? The one you unwrapped days ago?
I think Jack's eating all the other dog's food.
Oh shoot, I didn't think of that. Here. There you go.
Wow. Wow.
Jack!
What's inside the bags, buddy?
Oh, look! Hayden! It's a Minion shirt! Hayden! Hayden! Okay.
Does that one have your name on it, Aiden?
Ooh! That has your name on it. And more minions. Mommy's little minion. That's right, because you're mama's boy. Not a daddy's
Is
boy.
that one your bag?
Yeah, those 2 are ours, this one says. It's pretty cool, huh? Show daddy.
Is that your mug? You gonna drink hot chocolate through it? Jack! Bad puppy.
Okay. Can we open this one now? Oh, this is the one you already started to open. You notice most of these gift bags have big holes in them. Okay. Oh, wow. Whoa. That's a big snake, huh?
Yours, Aiden.
Lollipop rings. Really, Jack? Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. This one's for Grandma and Grandpa Milburn.
You like it. All right.
Can you throw him a little closer, sweetie? Mommy's belly gets in the way these days. You should be like every other kid and just rip it in half. Wow. Honey, you know you can leave some wrapping paper on there.
Good job, buddy.
You sounded like a good cop.
Here you go.
You're welcome.
Here you go. Here you go.
Wow, bathtub crayons. Those will be fun. Do we want to unwrap another one from Grandma and Grandpa? Here. This is the one you're gonna
Hayden,
be able to school Daddy on.
Hayden, open the big one. Open the big
This
box.
is the one you're gonna be able to beat Daddy on.
Open the big box, bud.
Right here.
Right behind you.
Yes. Big pieces of wrapping paper this time, huh? No?
I did it.
Not feeling it, huh? There we go. Now we're getting somewhere. Next year, we're doing gift bags. We're doing gift bags. Thank you.
There you go. Hey.
I can't tell if you're being rude or nice. Bless you. Wow, look, it's a basketball hoop.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow. Big old basketball hoop, huh? We're moving on already?
Yep.
All right, bud.
That's the really heavy one. Oh, we feel so bad. We don't want to open the rest from Grandma and Grandpa yet?
Yeah.
We want to go to this one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Jack. Get out the way.
This one's from Santa. have been a good kid.
What's your next one, bud? There's one right here by the garbage.
Oh, another one from Grandma and Grandpa. You're welcome. Wow, learn your alphabet. You got a lot of cool stuff today, huh? Yeah. Alright, you got one more to unwrap. And then maybe I'll let you unwrap Katie's too. Huh? No interest in that?
Hayden. Hayden. Y. Heart. U. Y. Art. U.
Who took that?
Alright, buddy.
You got one last present to unwrap.
Open your really big one. That's in my way.
Still in the way?
Nope.
Alright, this is the one for Mommy and Daddy. Oh, you okay? Thank you.
Presents.
Nope, that's not yours. This one is. Yeah, Mommy just had to wrap all your presents. Don't worry, you'll get gift bags next year. You gotta love how he just throws the wrap. Thank you. You think that dog's still outside?
Put it on the chain.
The other one.
I don't know how she can get out.
What is this? Say, I don't know.
I bet it's red, Hayden.
Like a fire truck?
What is it?
Whoa!
Cheese. Go see what's in your box. You better go see what's in your box. You better open it the rest of the way.
It's not assembled.
I know, so you can see it.
Okay. Does Daddy have his knife on him?
No.
Yeah. We're moving on to Katie's presents now. There we go.
What's in there? What's it? Yeah, what's in that box? Wow, what's in the box?
Why didn't they just send this box?
Because it's not an Amazon box. Hayden, no.
Well, there's your Christmas present.
An empty box.
Like that episode of Modern Family. One year we did just get him a box, but we made the mistake of putting it in a gift bag. No interest in your present?
Are you a present, Aiden?
Yeah. You're the best gift.